A MoneyGram money order is a secure, prepaid method for sending money, particularly useful if you don't have a bank account. It's like a check, but payment is guaranteed. As of 2025, MoneyGram has integrated some digital features like blockchain tracking via their app for increased security. A money order guarantees payment up to its face value, typically capped at $1,000 in the US, but can be higher in other countries. Money orders are used for remittances, bill payments, or gifts, offering a level of anonymity and reducing scam risks. They include security features such as holographic seals and watermarks. Remember, MoneyGram money orders over $1,000 require sender identification due to anti-money laundering laws. First, purchase the money order at a MoneyGram agent like Walmart. Specify the amount you wish to send and pay with cash or a debit credit card. Next, on the front of the money order, write the recipient's full name in the Pay to the Order of field. Avoid abbreviations. Then, enter the amount in numerals, for example 500 $, and write it out in words like 500 and $100. This helps prevent alteration. If the amount is over $1,000, you'll need to provide your name, address, and ID number. You can add a brief memo for reference. Finally, secure the money order, advise the recipient to endorse it before cashing, and use the reference number to track it via the MoneyGram app or website.